Hey, this is Rachel Mazza, and today I want to give you 3 quick ways that you can connect your sales story back to the offer that you're selling. So we've talked about a couple different things around this subject, and if you haven't seen the rest of this series, then go to my blog at rachelmazza.com and get caught up first. But we learned about why stories work so well on us, right? They put us into an emotional state and kind of turn off that logic part of your brain that brings up doubts and objections to your sales message. And we also talked about where these story-based landing pages live in your sales funnel. They live between that first touch point when you first interact with your customer and your final sales page, so that they're warming up cold traffic and priming readers to buy before they get to your sales page. And we also talked about how to choose the best topic that's going to resonate best with your particular audience. So today, we're going to talk about 3 quick ways to connect that sales story back to your offer. So first would be to introduce you or the avatar of your website as a character entering the story and meeting the main character, the hero of the story, for the first time. So you could, let's say you were telling a story about a woman named Sarah, and Sarah's got a problem. And you tell the story about her struggle and kind of how she overcame this struggle, and then you say, and that's when I met Sarah. And then you can transition into this guru or the person that's now become the main character of the story and connect it back to your offer that way. And that way you're introducing the avatar of your website. The second way is you can introduce another character that presents the solution to the main character's problem. So let's say you're talking about Sarah's problem, and then you introduce her friend Luke. So you could say, and then her friend Luke was chatting with her over beers or over coffee and told her about this thing that's going to solve her problem. And of course, this thing, the solution, is the offer that you are presenting to solve the problem of the main character. And the third way is you could just use a really simple, obvious problem solution transition. So, if you're writing in the first person, this is really easy to do, but you can also do it in the third person. So you just say something like, before I had the solution, my problem was X, Y, and Z. And now that I have the solution, my life is awesome. So you're using that problem solution. You had the problem first, you found the solution, and here are the results. And that's a really simple way to do it. So these are just 3 quick ways that you can connect your sales story back to your offer on these pre-sale pages that are warming up cold traffic before they get to your sales page. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and if you've got questions, then just connect with me on my website at rachelmazza.com, and I'll see you next time.